Hey guys, Dave the Watchman coming at you with another watch review video. We got another OLEVS watch here. So I'm going to go over this watch and post a link in the description for you guys to be able to pick one of these guys up. So once again, if you like my channel, give me the thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave some comments. So here we go. We've got another OLEVS watch, which is, once again, I don't have a lot of bad things to say about these watches, so I'm going to gush a little bit here. It is a nice watch. They're all good watches. I don't know what else to say about these things. I really like them. I like all of them. They've got really good quality watches for a really, really, really low price. I'm not sponsored by OLEVS, but I do have an affiliate link with Amazon, and I will post an affiliate link so you guys can pick one of these up, and that gives a little bit of a percentage to me if you guys buy one. And I think these are actually on sale right now for somewhere in the neighborhood of $40. These are, and they've got a couple of different styles, but this is the gold and silver with the green face, and I think it just looks really, really sharp. The case is gold, and the band has silver with the gold running down the center. Good quality watch band bracelets. They've got the laser engraved logo on it. They've also got the laser engraved logo on the crown logo on the crown, which is really kind of nice. Let's see here. So for a lower quality, lower priced, budget friendly luxury watch, you can't go wrong with these OLEVS watches. Really, really nice. Good quality. Nice watches. It's just a basic quartz movement, but it's supposed to be water resistant up to 30. It's got the faux diamonds for each number. It's got the bezel is it's not movable, but it's got the tachymeter bezel, units per hour. Really, really nice watch. I have worn this once since I got it about a week ago. And like I said, these OLEVS watches, they also come with, they come with the box. They come in a little box. They've got their, they've got their sizing tool. And they come wrapped in plastic, and these are the extra links that were removed from one of my other OLEVS watches. That's not necessarily from this watch, but it comes with a little pamphlet, user's manual, and comes in a nice little box like this. So I've bought quite a bit of the OLEVS watches. Most of the watches that you're seeing here are OLEVS, and I'm a really big OLEVS watch guy, but I don't know what the long-term reviews on this is going to be, but I will be doing reviews on them as I wear them, and if I have any problems with them, I'll let you know. But so far, this one's just a week old. I just got it last week, and I've worn it once, and it's just a nice, classy looking, sharp looking watch. Not much bad I can say about it. It's got a good weight to it. It sounds good. It feels good. It's not going to be a Rolex quality watch or any other, Grand Seiko or anything crazy like that. But it does have a really good look. Has a really good look to it. And if you're looking to not spend a lot of money and have a pretty decent watch and build up a nice watch collection for not a lot of money, then OLEVS is going to probably be your best bet, in my opinion. There are a couple of other watches in here that are also really good, but I am a big fan of OLEVS when it comes to the classic luxury look. We've got, and I've done reviews on some of these watches too. We've got a Navaforce watch here. We've got a mini focus watch here, which I've also done a review on. And we've got an Invicta watch here. And all of these watches are relatively inexpensive. I wouldn't call an Invicta a cheap watch. I wouldn't call any of these watches a cheap watch. but you're just not going to pay the money that you're going to pay for a really, really expensive watch. I mean, this is, you know, even OLEVS has some good sports watches. I mean, this one right here is a nice looking watch too. But yeah, if you're looking to have a good watch, a nice watch collection, and you don't want to spend a ton of money, you can get 10 or 15 watches for the price you'd pay for one watch. And honestly, if you're looking at a tighter budget and you really want to have a good watch collection, then you're going to want to check out my watch channel. I'm Dave the Watchman, and I do watch review videos, and I buy a ton of watches and I review them because I love my watches. So if you guys want to keep seeing these videos coming, like, subscribe, show the love, give me the thumbs up. And until the next video, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I'm out of here.